I like this kind of Bollywood class because it's high impact. For me, it can be a bit more challenging, the steps, but I think most people, they prefer it easier. I prefer more complicated, but as intensity, I like it. It's better than isolations and all, because here you constantly move and the music is fine and it's good for me.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, I love Bollywood. It's one of my favorite classes.
Yeah, this one,
Now,
Jig to Fit.
this one is quite new and it's actually very interesting. I wanted to be really high intense because just Bollywood numbers are really going to be fast numbers. So it's a very very fun-loving way of losing calories, and I would like to have more intensive numbers, high energy numbers.
All right, super.
Yeah.
Great.
So I love the class. I think it's new. It's a good challenge for us. I just think that I will struggle with keeping up with all this, but it's really good. Thank you.
Thank you, and you won 100%, so I'm super proud. Yeah.
Hi, I like this class a lot. I'm a big fan of Bollywood, and so this is a very easy way to lose calories along with having fun.
Thank you.
Hi,
First class.
Hi,
How do you feel
yeah,
about
this
the
is my
routine?
first class and I love this and I'm enjoying. Thank you.
Thank you. Who's gonna talk? Who's gonna talk?
This is about fun, is about to have just dance and close your eyes, and this is a very good way to keep it fitting, and really like this. Yeah,
Okay.
so
Thank
first
you.
time for me.
Yes, true. How about you?
I like very much Bollywood.
How about the
class,
first?
But this class is more is harder.
It's harder.
Than
High
the
impact, yeah.
Bollywood
The
normal.
regular Bollywood you
Yes,
used to
yes.
do.
I like very much, but this
Floor.
floor not help me.
Yeah. All right.